Welcome to my channel Ethiopia for Stew. Today we are exploring the most important question that many new YouTubers ask. That is, can I boost my views by switching accounts and watching my own videos very repeatedly? That is the most important question that most new YouTubers raise. At first, this might sound like a clever shortcut, but after all, who wouldn't want their videos to get more views very quickly? This is another big question. But the truth is that this method can actually create major problem than benefits. In today's video, we'll break down all the potential risks, side effects, and other safe alternatives to grow your channel in the right way. But before all, let us discuss about YouTube fake engagement policy in detail. YouTube is very strict about fake engagement. This means any attempt to artificially increase your views, likes, and subscribers or watch time will damage your channel. When you switch accounts and repeatedly watch your own video, YouTube system can detect that and those views are not genuine. The result is those views may be removed, frozen, and or ignored totally. And if repeated, your channel could get a policy strike. So that, my friends, take care of keeping your channel very safe. Okay, by now, let us discuss on the major issues on what might exist if you switch your accounts to boost your views, subscribers, and watch time very repeatedly. The first problem is views may not take into account. Let's say you create 10 different accounts and watch your own video from each other just by switching. If they are all from the same device or from the same IP address, YouTube knows that it is the same user. So the system is designed to track viewing patterns, cookies, and even device behavior. So even after hours of switching accounts, you might notice that your views count doesn't really move. Hence, it is wasted effort. So you have to take care of it. The second problem is risk of channel suspension and or channel termination. If you do this very repeatedly, YouTube can label your activity as manipulation of the metrics. This is not just a warning. In some cases, YouTube removes the video completely or even suspend your entire channel. Imagine losing all of your hard works just because of an attempt to boost a few numbers. So you have to take care of it. The third problem is danger to monetization. If your goal is to monetize your channel, boosting views with fake engagement, that is with fake method, is one of the fastest way to fail. When YouTube reviews your channel, they might check your traffic sources. If they find a lot of individual activity and invalid activities from your site, your monetization application can totally be rejected. Even if you pass, later they can demonetize your channel for your invalid traffic. The fourth problem is account linking risks. You might think that I will just make new accounts, but if all these accounts are linked to some phones, some Wi-Fi connections, or even the same recovery email, YouTube can trace them very well. Once detected, not only do those views not count, but your main channel can get flagged for suspicious activity. That is another problem. The other one is algorithm damage. Yeah, even if some views manage to slip through, they don't help your channel's growth. Here's why. Let us discuss one by one. These accounts don't watch the video fully, and they don't engage with comments or likes, and they don't come back for more content. So you will have an algorithm damage from fake engagement. Yes, my friends, this tells the YouTube algorithm that your video has low retention rate and low engagement. So instead of promoting it, the system will push it down in recommendation. So you have to take care of it. Let's discuss another problem. The other problem is wasted time and effort you may get. Think about the energy it takes to switch accounts and watch your own video. Log in, replay videos, and hope the views count rise. The time could be better spent creating new content, improving your search engine optimization SEO, or promoting your channel organically. So this tells us to be very much conscious. Finally, let us discuss about the safe alternatives in order for your channel to boost your views for all over your videos you entirely may have on your channel. Instead of risky shortcuts, you are expected to follow the real and last growth strategies. The first one is social sharing. Post your videos on any other social media, be it Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or any other social media. You better share your videos to other social medias rather than your fake engagement. The other one is SEO optimization, search engine optimization options. Use strong titles, use keywords, descriptions, custom thumbnails, and any other SEO optimizations. That means you are expected to fully fit your videos metadata. The other one is communities. Share naturally in Reddit groups, forums, WhatsApp community, or any other social media communities that fit your niche. By doing so, your channel will grow very fast. The next one is collaboration. Yes, really, work with other YouTubers in your field. That means within your niche. This brings genuine viewers. Really. The other thing that you are expected to take into consideration for your channel growth is that consistency. It do have magical impact on your channel. You are expected to upload videos very regularly. So over time, YouTube rewards steady creators with better recommendation. This method may take more efforts, but they bring real people. So my friends, for today's video, just to answer the big question, let me ask you, can you switch accounts to boost your YouTube's channel views right afterwards? Yes, you can, but you really shouldn't. The risk includes wasted effort, lost monetization, damaged algorithm performance, and even losing your channel permanently. So you are expected not to do that. Instead, focus on organic growth strategies. That is, the real views, real people, or the only way to build a successful and sustainable channel is conforming your video uploading's consistency. If you find this explanation very well and helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and share the video to all other your potential new YouTubers. We'll keep bringing you surprising insights, not just about our world, but also about the digital world, the YouTube itself. You will have ample evidence and many videos that will keep your channel very safe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a nice time.